안녕하세요, 에리스 키치 친구분들. Today we are making delicious cabbage and tofu fresh spring rolls called 양배추두부월남쌈 in Korean. First, let's prepare the veggies. So thinly slice some cabbage, 양배추 and carrot, 당근. Chop some green onions, 파, and dice the onion, 양파. Finally, slice a few garlic cloves, 마늘. Next, grab some tofu, 두부. We will use just half a block. So crush it with a side of a knife or a fork until it's all crumbled. Then break the eggs, 달걀, into a bowl and whisk them well. Heat up a pan with nothing in it. Add the crumbled tofu and stir fry on high heat for about 5 minutes to get rid of extra moisture. Then push the tofu to the side and add some cooking oil, 식용유, and sesame oil, 참기름, and then pour in the eggs. Scramble them a bit and mix them with the tofu. Cook for another 3 minutes and then set it aside. In the same pan, add some cooking oil, then throw in the fried veggies. Sprinkle a bit of salt, 소금, stir fry for about 3 minutes on high heat. Mix the veggies with the tofu and egg mixture. Now for the fun part, rolling. Soak a rice paper sheet in lukewarm water for a few seconds. Lay it flat and add about 1/6 of the filling. We are making 6 rolls, so divide the mixture into 6 portions. Roll it up nice and tight and repeat for the rest. To make a good dipping sauce, mix 간장, 물, 식초, 설탕, 고춧가루, and some chopped onion and garlic. The red pepper slices are optional but highly recommended. That's it. You can enjoy them fresh or pan-fried them until golden brown for an extra treat. Either way, they are delicious. Give these a try and let me know what you think. Thank you for watching. See you soon again. Bye.